that I just received several of is Tatting with Color, also by Rosemary Peel. This book, again, like always, Rosemary's lovely designs, and again, the finished products are in the cover. I'll show you those. Beautiful diagramming, beautiful clear instructions. She even does gauge for your sizes. Close-ups are gorgeous, gorgeous. And then on the back cover, I'll show you the leaves that she's done. And this uses 2 different shades of brown. And then you have leaves and the holly, great for Christmas. Also a very extensive abbreviation. Again, this is Tatting with Color by Rosemary Peel. These are older publications, and let's Tatting with Color by Rosemary Peel. This one is a 1996 publication from the UK.